All right, fam, we got some really nice drops. I know it's late, but we got the brand new Packout Wall rack thingamajigs that just leaked not that long ago. We got the full specs, pricing, everything over at ToolNut. Again, shout out to Carlos Danger. I will leave his IG link in the description down below. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of this stuff. We've got wall plates for M12 and M18 batteries, screw storage, it looks like. We've got the very looked forward to Packout cabinets with plates. I'm actually liking that large plate. That's pretty cool. You can add multiple accessories and stuff there. The long handle tool rack, $39.97. Let's take a quick peek at that. I'm kind of excited for this. Not really the price so much, but just the stuff that you can mount on there. Looks like you can mount your OPE accessories, brooms. I'm not sure you buy that for brooms, but the OPE definitely. I've been looking for something like this for a while. $39.97 doesn't seem that expensive when you consider the fact those are 200 and up OPE accessories. So pretty stoked about that. Let's check out the Packout tool station to hold your drills, $40. Not stoked about the price, but again, let's take some closer looks at these. Look like they can go side by side. They fit most M18 tools. Here's the question I have. The M12 tools on the handles are so chunky. I've had issues making my own mounts and racks for those tools. I wonder if they'll be able to fit in these. I guess we'll find out when the time comes, but that's something to look forward as well. I do notice that there were no M12s in that picture. Packout tool rack, $15. I'm not sure what this is for. I'm sorry this video is getting a little long. I'm just kind of excited about some of this stuff. Ooh, okay. Looks like it helps hold your vice grips in place. Maybe it could double as a clamp rack. Something like that. Snips, pliers, and more. Come on, Milwaukee. We don't need to hang freaking bungee cords off a Packout. Just throw them in a jar. Get out of here with that nonsense. 25. Okay. If I see any of you guys pay $25 for a paper towel holder, I will walk over there and slap you guys silly. That's ridiculous. Don't do that, fam. Please. I know we love Packout stuff. We go crazy when it's red, but that's a bit much. Even for me, I'm gonna have to say no on that one, dog. Definitely no. Looks like we got some hooks. Pretty neat. Again, OPE. You could probably put drills on that. That's what I use the Ryobi Link stuff for. It's solid. And to be honest with you, at $12.97, it's not that far off from the Ryobi Link stuff. Looks like I might be ripping that stuff off my wall. So, again, I'm pretty excited about that. Power tools, hand tools, and more. Again, not far off from the Ryobi Link pricing there at $12.97. I like that. And it seems to be back compatible with your current mounting plates, which I also like as well. The wide hooks, the large wall plate, and the half plate. $39.97, $19.97. Yeah, I'm liking this a lot. Packout cabinet, $139. We've got site transit, I don't know, just generic stuff. Build your own system. Lifetime warranty. That's interesting. Let me know if you guys want to see this thing suffer in the comments down below. We can arrange for that to happen. Looks like it's rated for 50 pounds. Yeah, I'm going to put a lot more than 50 pounds in that thing. 15 inches deep, 20 inches wide, 15 inches tall. Looks like this guy's got some... Bro, I know you just didn't drop $140 to put cans in there. Get out of here with that nonsense. Need some pew-pew action in there or something. A saw? Okay, that's acceptable. I'll let that pass. What I like about the cabinet and the drawers is it completely eliminates the need to have to pull stuff off your stacks just to access certain tools. It's such a pain in the butt. You guys have no idea. Well, if you guys are watching this, I'm sure you guys have some idea. But pretty neat. Again, link to the tool nut drop will be in the description down below. It looks like none of these are shipping till right around after the country's birthday, right around July 6th. Now let's talk about the brand new DeWalt leaks that just hit Home Depot. Stanley Black & Decker, if you're watching this, do not copyright strike this, okay? You guys got the last one. I called it fair game. This one is over at Home Depot. If y'all have issues, take it up with them. The brand new successor to the 796. It's supposed to be 40% more powerful. I have no idea, but I plan to upgrade. It is the 805. It is half-inch shorter than the 796 at 7 inches. If I'm getting those model numbers incorrect, let me know in the description, in the comments down below. I'm sorry, guys. It's late. You guys know what the deal is with these late drops. Adjustable 3-position, 3-mode LED with 70 lumens. That is really bright for a drill. We've got a spotlight mode, which features a 20-minute shutoff function. I like that a lot. A lot of us, honestly, half the time that I go out to work on job sites that don't have power or under cabinets or whatever, I often forget a flashlight or headlamp or whatever. A 20-minute light on a drill is awesome because I can just hit the button one time instead of just constantly hitting the button or reaching for my phone, which is often what happens. Now, the successor to the 791 is even shorter. Look at this thing. It's freaking tiny, 6.37 inches in length. Full metal ratcheting chuck, I'm sure. Let's see what speeds it has. 0 to 2,000 RPMs in high. It says, again, 40% more power. I have no idea if that is the 791 using the DCB 205. I don't remember the model numbers, if that is the 5.0 or the power stack battery, but I'm sure these are made for the power stack battery. So pretty cool stuff there. None of these are available to buy online. Nevertheless, I'll leave the links in the description down below. I need to get some sleep. Over at Deal Team 6, we've got a very, very nice clearance event going on over at Tractor Supply. Shout out to John Reynolds for this. You guys can see here, all of the atomic stuff is getting blown out like crazy. The 4.5-inch circ saw at $37. Wow, that thing is a pretty awesome saw for its size. $36. Heck yeah. Let me get 3 or 4 or whatever you guys got. I don't know about those security bits, but all the DeWalt stuff, definitely. There's the OG recip saw right there. I like that a lot. This guy went gangbusters in here. So if you guys want to see the deals before even I get them, make sure you guys follow Deal Team 6 over at Facebook. I will leave a link to that in the description down below. It features all of your favorite YouTubers and your favorite deal finders in one place. Everybody posts on here. Everybody shares. Everybody contributes. That's Warmonger right there with the electrician stapler. What? $63? Dang. I've been missing out. Anyways, I gotta go. That's it for this drop, fam. I promise the next one will be better. Have at it. Good luck.